Rubbermaid Brilliance 100% leak-proof food storage containers feature BPA-free Triton lids and bases with 360-degree clarity. Airtight seal and secure latches prevent spills and leaks and help keep food fresh and secure. Perfect for a variety of occasions and events, like lunches, snacks, meal prep, parties, holidays, and more. Crystal clear containers are clear like glass so you can always see what's inside, but are light and easy to carry. Stain-resistant material keeps plastic food container looking like new, and resists odors. Built-in vents under latches allow splatter-resistant microwaving with the lid on. Containers stack perfectly to one another to save space and stay organized in the pantry or fridge. Safe for the dishwasher, microwave, and freezer. Lifetime warranty. Pack includes 5 3.2 cup plastic containers, plus lids, for a total of 10 pieces. Top reviews from the United States. Extremely tight seal. These have a thick O-ring that actually make it a little bit difficult to push the lid all the way down on the container and secure it with the 2 integrated side latches. So be aware that this makes a great seal, but if you have used this container to store a liquid, after you unlatch the lid, you must be very careful lifting the lid off due to the substantial friction of the full circular O-ring with the container sides.